Good evening. Register, good evening. Good evening, Register. Akanksha, good evening. How many are there in the class? Clear. Good evening. Good evening, Sammy. Kansha, leave a message in the group. The class has started. That everyone need to join. How you wrote science exams, everyone? How is the paper today? Good. Good means easy or moderate? Easy. Register, Akanksha and Sandy, three are there with us. We'll wait for 2 more minutes. Kamsini, good evening. Kamsini, have you wrote science? Good evening, Neha. Manoj, good evening. Yeah. Science exam, how is it? Groups are easy. Okay. Math also will hope the same. Paper is easy. How many did anyone expecting full marks? Eleventh is math exam. No one. Right. We have started solving paper number 20. Abdali, good evening. Everyone go through paper number 20. I think section C we need to solve. Is that right? Section C we need to solve. Paper number 20. Section C, first question. Alpha, beta are the zeros of x square minus 4x minus 5. Then find the value of alpha square plus beta square. X square minus 4x minus 5. The quadratic expression. Zeros of this expression are alpha comma beta, and we need to find out alpha square plus beta square value. This is given for 3 marks. Okay, children. See here, whenever a polynomial is given to you, quadratic polynomial, immediately you need to write 2 values. Alpha plus beta, alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? What is alpha plus beta? Anyone? 4 minus b by a, which is minus of minus 4 by 1, 4. Alpha beta, c by a, is minus 5 by 1, negative 5. So we got the values alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now he is asking to find out alpha square plus beta square. I told you this can be expressed as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square we can express it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is 4. Alpha beta is negative 5. So 16, negative into negative, positive 10. So alpha square plus beta square is 26. Value of alpha square plus beta square is 26. Okay, children. Next question. Solve graphically 2x minus 3y plus 13 is equal to 0. And 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. We need to solve paper number 20. It was there in the group already. It is there in the group already. How can you say not there? Actually, children, we need to solve this problem by graph. Means we need to take two solutions for this and two solutions for this and plot it in the graph. We will get two intersecting lines, and this point we need to say. Okay, na? Two solutions for the first equation, two solutions for the second equation, and we need to plot separately those two solutions, and we'll join them. We'll get two straight lines which are intersecting each other at a point, and that point is known as common solution. That point is known as common solution. We need to find out that common point through graph. That is a question. But what I am asking now is, can any one of you solve these two equations by substitution method and tell me the common solution? Solve these equations by substitution method and tell the common solution. Solve the equations by substitution method. Are you trying it or not, or you want me to explain? Children. So from this equation, we can write 2x is equal to 3y minus 13. Then x is equal to 3y minus 13 by 2. Now substitute x value over here. 3y minus 13 by 2 minus 2y is equal to negative 12. Okay. From the first equation, x is 3y minus 13 by 2. Substitute x value in the second equation, 3x. X place row, 3y minus 13 by 2. Minus 2y is equal to negative 12. Now take the LCM. 2 LCM. 9y minus 39 minus 4y is equal to negative 12. 9y minus 4y, 5y minus 39 is equal to negative 24. Even though multiply होते they'll get multiplied. So 5y is equal to negative 24 positive 39, which is 15. Then y is 3. Y value 3. Substitute 3 here. X is equal to 3 into 3 minus 13 by 2. 6 minus 13 by 2. So 9 minus 13 by 2. 9 is negative 4. So x value negative 2. So common solution is negative 2 comma 3. That means the graph of two equations. The graph of two equations will get two straight lines which are intersecting each other. When you draw the graph of both the equations, you will get two straight lines, and both are intersecting each other at minus 2 comma 3. That is what you have to understand. Okay, na? When you draw the graph of both the equations, you will get two straight lines. Both are intersecting at -2, 3. This is what you have to understand. Next question. Yeah, this is very important question, important model. See here, there is a triangle. ABC, right angle at C. Okay. There is another triangle DB. Okay, na? This is 90. So what is asking? We have to prove, required to prove BE by DE is equal to AC by BC. That is required to prove. Now see, first observe required to prove, children. Observe required to prove BE by DE. BE by DE is equal to AC by BC. Means we need to consider this triangle and this triangle. We need to consider the small triangle as well as the big triangle. And if we prove they are similar, then we can say that these two are equal. That is the idea. Because the four sides which are there in the required to prove portion, they belong to triangle BDE as well as triangle AC. They are the sides, or they are the parts of both the triangles. So somewhat, if we try to prove those two triangles are similar in some or the other way, then after that we can deduce, or we can find out the solution, or we can prove the required to prove. Okay, now see how these two triangles, how can we prove these two triangles are similar? How can we prove these two triangles are similar? Okay. Both are right triangles. Both are right triangles. Angle E is equal to angle C 90 degrees. Okay, na? Angle E and angle C is 90 degrees. Then I am naming this angle as 1, 2 and this one as 3. I am giving this angle as 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Now see, I know that, and we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degrees. In the same way which is given, and we know angle 2 plus angle 3 is also 90. Why? You have to say the reason. Why angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90? Why it is 90? Equal. No. Angle 1 plus angle 2 90, which is given already. Angle DBC 90 given already. But why angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90? Yes, angle some property of triangles. Angle some property of triangles. So, from these two, things which are equal to the same thing, things which are equal to the same thing or equal to one another by Euclid's property. We can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. So these two get cancelled. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 of this triangle equal to angle 3 of that triangle. Now, by AA similarity, triangle DEB is similar to triangle DEB is similar to triangle DCA. Okay, now write the ratios. DE by BC is equal to BE by AC. Okay, no need to write the third one because here we are getting the answer. Observe what we have to do to get the answer. Can anyone say? DE by BC is equal to BE by AC we got because these two triangles are similar. But I am saying that answer is over. Means we got the answer. Only one step left. Can anyone say what is that step? How to get the answer? Interchanging alternando, correct. Alternando, interchanging AC and DE. Very good. Just interchanging. Apply alternando, by alternando. By alternando, you can interchange AC by BC is equal to BE by DE. AC by BC is equal to BE by DE. Hence, proved. This question chala saarlu adigadu, important model. board exam. Okay, na? We will go ahead for the next question. Next question. Yeah. A 6 meters high tree cast a 4 meters long shadow. 6 meters high tree, 4 meters long shadow. At the same time, a flagpole cast a shadow of 50 meters long. At the same time, a flagpole cast a shadow of 50 meters long. Then how long is the flagpole? See, children, here triangle ABC and triangle PQR both are right triangles. AB is a tree and BC is its shadow. PQ is a flagpole and QR is its shadow. So we can observe two right triangles over here. Okay, now here the shadows, the tree as well as pole, both are casting shadows at the same time. So the sun's altitude will be same, theta, theta. That is what you have to understand. Because once again, the tree as well as the flagpole both are casting shadows at the same time. This is 4 meter long shadow and that one is 50 meter long shadow. It was happening on the same time. Okay. So we need to find out height of the flagpole. So since these two triangles are similar, angle B is equal to angle Q 90, angle C is equal to angle R. Sun's altitude on the same time. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. We need to take this one. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. 6 by H is equal to 4 by 50. Okay now. Do cross multiply and simplify. Tell me H value. Height of the flag post. $75 meters. Only 4 are able to get the answer. Ajista is not there. Abdeli. Ajista, Abdeli. Vaishant is not there. Yeah, 75 meters is the answer. Next question. Next question. In the given PQR is a right angled at Q. QR 9. Triangle PQR right angled at Q. QR is 9 centimeters. PR minus PQ 1 centimeter. So determine the value of sin R plus cos R. Sin R plus cos R. Okay na? Yeah. See, difference of these two sides, PR minus PQ. Difference of two sides, PR minus PQ is given as 1 centimeter. Okay now. If I take this one as X, okay, this will be X plus 1. Is that right? If I take PQ is X, then automatically PR is X plus 1. We know triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Can we find out X value here, children? Can we find out X value? What is X? Anyone? What is X? Apply Pythagoras theorem. X plus 1 whole square is equal to X square plus 9 square. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 81. X square get cancelled. 2x is equal to 81 minus 1, 80, x 40. X value 40. That means PQ 40 and QR is 41. PR 41, QR 9. Okay. Now what is asking? He is asking to find out sin R plus cos R. Sin R plus cos R. Sin R. Sin R. Side opposite to R, angle R by hypotenuse. Cos R. Side adjacent to angle R by hypotenuse. Now sin R plus cos R. 40 by 41 plus 9 by 41. Answer is 49 by 41. 49 by 41. So trigonometry anta sir boozu dulpandi మర్చిపోయి ఉంటారు. ఇది సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్, బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏది? దీంట్లో రెండు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి పైథాగరస్ థియరం అప్లై చేయాలి, రెండు ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ అప్లై చేయాలి. జామెట్రీ అండ్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇది ఈ టాపిక్, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్, a well of diameter 4 meters is dug 14 meters deep. There is a well which is 4 meters diameter in diameter and it was having a depth of 14 meters. The earth is taken out and spread evenly around the well to form 40 meters high embankment. Means whatever the amount of earth that is taken out from the well, it was placed around the well only to form a circular path. To form a circular path. Circular path అంటే తెలుసు కదా మీ అందరికీ. సార్ వీడియోలో చూపించాను నేను మా ఊళ్ళో వెల్కి సర్క్యులర్ పాత్, దాని చుట్టూతా వెల్, దాని చుట్టూతా సర్క్యులర్ పాత్, దాన్ని సర్క్యులర్ ఎంబార్క్మెంట్ అంటారు. కావాలంటే వీడియోలో చూడండి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది. ఇలా వెల్లుంటే ఇలాగా, దాని చుట్టూతా ఇలాగా ఇలా సర్క్యులర్ పాత్. సో ఈ ఎంతైతే మట్టి, the amount of earth that is taken out from the well, it was spread uniformly on the circular embankment. Okay na? Now then the level of the embankment will increases na, whenever we will spread the earth on it. Okay, అంటే ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది నీకు జనరల్ గా దీని వ్యూ చూసుకుంటే నువ్వు ఇది వెల్ బేస్, దాని చుట్టూతా సర్క్యులర్ ఎంబార్క్మెంట్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఎర్త్ దట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వెల్, ఇట్ వాస్ స్ప్రెడ్ యూనిఫామ్లీ ఆన్ ద సర్క్యులర్ ఎంబార్క్మెంట్. నౌ వాట్ we have to understand is the level of circular embankment will increases because of spreading the earth on it. Okay children, ఇంతకు ముందు లెవెల్ కంటే ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం లెవెల్ పెరుగుతుంది. ఎంత పెరిగింది? 40 meters. ఎంత పెరిగింది? width of the embankment, no, and the well to form a 40 meters high embankment. H is 40 meters పెరిగింది. H formula ఏంటి? వాల్యూమ్ బై ఏరియా is equal to 40 liters. Volume by area 40. వాల్యూమ్ ఏమిటి ఇక్కడ? వాట్ ఈస్ వాల్యూమ్? వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్. ఇది కొంచెం హైయర్ ఆర్డర్ క్వశ్చన్, జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. వాట్ ఈస్ వాల్యూమ్? వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ సిలిండర్. దెన్ ఏరియా is nothing but area of embankment. Area of embankment is nothing but area of ring. Area of ring. So area of embankment means area of ring, which is pi capital R square minus small r. So volume of cylinder pi r square h by pi times capital R square minus small r square is equal to 40. Is equal to 40. Okay children. Now see here, the diameter of well is given 4 meters and the radius 2, height 14. Substitute the values, pi get cancelled. Radius is given 2, height is given 14. So 2 square into 14 by capital R, small r plus width. Capital R is small r plus width. Small r is nothing but radius of the base of the well. Radius of base of the well. So that means capital R is 2 plus W. 2 plus W. So capital R square is 2 plus W whole square minus 2 square is equal to 40. Children, simplify and tell me W value. ఇది చూడండి, ఇది 2 మీటర్స్, ఇదే మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. క్యాపిటల్ మనకి విడ్త్ తెలియదు, వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ W. సో అప్పుడు రేడియస్ ఇది 2, ఇది W, అంటే క్యాపిటల్ R 2 ప్లస్ W అవుతుంది కదా. ఓకేనా? ఇది రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ వెల్, రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ వెల్, అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ width of the embankment. W is width of the embankment. Now in order to find out capital R, what we have to do? Small r plus W. We get capital R. Small r plus W. So that is what I have to, what I wrote here. Simplify and tell me what is W. How much time you want? Otherwise I will do that 14, 14 they are 56 by 4 plus 2W plus W square minus 4 is equal to 40. Plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. So there what we will get? 56 is equal to 40W square plus 80W. 40W square plus 80W divided with 4. 4, 4, 4. So 14, 10W square, 20W. Again divide with 2. Again divide with 2. What you get? 7 is equal to 5W square, 10W. So you get a quadratic equation over here. 5W square plus 10W minus 7 is equal to 0. Solve this one, children. Solve this one and find out W value. 5 7 are negative 35. Four W, sorry, here 4W. 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 W square plus 160W. 160W. Yeah. $160W plus 40W square. So we go ahead with the 4 table. So what will you get? 14, 10W square, 40W. Again with 2. So 7, 5W square, 20W. So then what you will get? 5W square plus 20W minus 7. మరి ఎక్కడైనా తప్పు చేశానా నేను? Width of the embankment. The earth is taken out, spread is evenly around, will form a 40 meters high embankment. Right on. 237, 5, 20. So 5W square plus 20W minus 7. 5 7s are 35. So how much the width you got? Diameter 4. 14 meters thick, right on? 5 will get cancelled. 2 plus W whole square minus 2 square. 4 plus 4W plus W square minus 4. These to get cancelled. So 56 by W square plus 4W is equal to 40. 16 here, 10 here. So 8 here, 2 5 here. 16 16 बदला लेगा तो 14 है नालू बदला लें नालू बदल 8 करेक्ट है क्या 5W square plus 20W is equal to 7. Apply this B square minus 4 is the formula, right? The problem is like this. Did anyone observe any mistake in this solution, right? Children? The earth is taken out, is spread evenly all around the well to form 40 meters of high embankment. Then you need to apply quadratic formula to find out the width. Procedure is same. Volume by area. Volume of the earth that is taken out is nothing but volume of cylinder pi r square h. By earth means by area. Area means where the earth is spread evenly. Where the earth is spread evenly means it is nothing but ring. So pi r square h by pi capital R square minus small r square is equal to 40 meters given, na? So procedure is same, right? Just apply b square minus 4ac formula minus b plus r minus. You will get the width value. Okay. Manoj is there or not? Manoj, Ishan. Anyone? The 3/4 part of a conical vessel of internal radius 5 centimeters and height 24 centimeters is full of water. The 3/4 part of a conical vessel of internal radius 5 centimeters, height 24 is full of water. The water is emptied into a circular embankment. Adhe width of embankment is equal to volume of well. No. Width of embankment is not equal to volume of well. Who said that? See, volume of well is pi r square h and volume of embankment pi capital R square minus small r square into h. Now in order to find out width, h is given 40, radius is given 2, height of well is given, deep of well is given 14 and height of embankment is given 40. So then h is equal to pi r square h by pi capital R square minus small r square. This concept is right. And we have inserted the value that is also right. But because of the values we are getting a quadratic equation which is not, we cannot factorize it properly, but we can use quadratic formula. That is what you have to understand. Now, the water emptied into a cylindrical vessel with internal radius 10 centimeters. Find the height of the water in the cylindrical vessel. Just what you have to calculate is 3/4 of the volume of cone, because 3/4 of the volume is filled, na? 3/4 of the volume is filled of conical vessel. The 3/4 part of conical vessel of internal radius 5 cm height is full of water. The 3/4 of 1/3 pi r square h is equal to pi r square h, volume of cylinder. That is what you have to understand. 3/4 volume of cylinder cone, 3/4 volume of cone equal to volume of cylinder. Here you can get cancelled, pi and pi get cancelled, this 3 is also get cancelled. What is remaining? 1/4 r square h is equal to capital R square h. Now insert the values. Cone radius 5, height 24. 1/4 into 5 square into 24 is equal to, and the water emptied into a conical cylinder of internal radius. Cylinder radius 10, height we have to find out. 10 square into h. Now 4 6 yeah. 25 into 6 by 100 is equal to h. 25 6 yeah, this one 4s. 2 3s 2 2s. So height of the cylinder is 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. Children, see, 3/4 volume of cone, 3/4 volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. That is what you have to understand. Because volume of cone is only 3/4 of it is filled. 3/4 of it is filled. So 3/4 of volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. We know radius of cone and height, and we know radius of cylinder, but we don't know height of the cylinder. We need to calculate, which is 1.5 meters. Okay now. 31st question of this section, last question. Find HCF and LCM of 16 and 36 by prime factorization method. Check your answer. This is easy question and I am not doing it. We need to find out LCM and HCF of 16 and 36 by prime factorization. Using prime factorization method. So no need to explain it because you know it very well. Do the prime factorization and find their LCM and HCF. So that's all for today. D section and E section we will solve it tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay children. So ask everyone to join without fail because today very less numbers are joined. See, to complete the syllabus we have less time, so we need to use 2-3 at least 2-3 hours daily, today, tomorrow and Monday also. At least 3 hours for mathematics. Today 3 hours, tomorrow 3 hours. And Monday also if possible 2 hours. Then only we are able to complete the syllabus before the exam. 11th is the exam. So don't waste the time. Ask your friend to join tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay na? Thank you.